Hello and welcome back to Speed Free Garage, home of power sports on YouTube, for part 4 of buying a house in Japan. So we are at the first house. It's a 7DK. It's only 9 minutes from Ebisu.
Very close.
And we toured the house. It does have a resident, so we're not really going to show a video of the house online. It would be disrespectful, of course, but we're going to take some pictures for our records. However, what we're going to do for you guys is we're going to measure the garage and see how many cars we can fit, and then there's some empty space over on the other side where we might be able to build a larger garage. So Brandon here has got the notebook and I will take the measurements. So basically this garage is built to withstand, I think he said, a foot of snow or more.
Yeah, 50 centimeters.
So everything in here is waterproof.
Right.
There's no garage door.
So it's a steel structure building.
Yep. And then
Fortunately, there's no garage door.
Yeah. And there's 7 kilowatt solar panels on the roof, which is a lot.
Yeah.
A lot. But so we're gonna real quick just double check the dimensions on the garage, and Brandon's got a notebook. So where's my is it just that bright outside? Might just be that bright outside.
Yeah, if you come from the other way, it might be better.
Okay, yeah. So the depth is 17 foot. Yeah, Google Maps is way off. There, it's got a bright light now. The length is 26 foot. And then the ceiling, we'd have to go to this gap here. The ceiling is 8 foot. So this would be a good garage for parking your daily drivers, but we definitely would not be able to fit any kind of lift or even a 4-post.
Yeah.
So, but
yeah, it's definitely really short. Like you said, daily drivers, yes, but nothing else.
Yep. So, I think that's about it. I mean, I guess we can walk around the outside of the house.
Yeah,
at least.
absolutely.
I think would probably be
yeah,
okay.
absolutely. Yeah, the outside is actually really nice.
The owner's, oh, here, let's go this way. The owner's super nice. He said pictures are okay, but I'm not gonna put it online.
Yeah.
I just cannot be that guy. Like, so there's a major prefectural road out here, and then basically the property starts at this pole, and it goes all the way down this ridge line.
It kind of, I mean, it's kind of, you can
It
kind of
falls
see
off.
it. You know,
yeah,
you can kind of follow it with your eyes. One thing to note though is that where this car is parked, there's actually kind of an alleyway.
So there's an underground river.
Yeah.
Like they covered it.
Yep.
So you can't build here. So that explains why the garage is a big gap.
Yep.
So if I wanted to build another garage, I would have to be 50 centimeters from the easement.
Correct. Yeah, and that easement goes
straight
out,
through.
follows that line, and then kind of kicks over.
Yeah. So, and then you got your well pump, which I don't know how this doesn't freeze in the winter. I'm assuming it has a heater block.
Something, yeah, it's got
So
to. I see they've got it heat taped and wrapped.
Yeah, and it looks really fresh. Like they just remodeled the whole house 9 years ago. You can see it kind of has a good drop off here, and then it has a septic. But the septic, Parker said was good. Like he's like, oh, that's a proper septic.
Yeah.
So obviously you'd want somebody to inspect it.
Sure.
Because in the U.S., whoa.
Yeah, it gets brutal.
Mm-hmm. And so then you kind of got this back area.
Yeah, this is the bathroom inside, basically.
So that's where the bathroom is. And then you got a little garden here. And originally I was thinking I would have been able to build a shop out here, but it falls off down the hill, and you couldn't really see that on satellite. So
yeah,
you can't build a shop back here. It would probably just
possibly
slide down the hill.
shoehorn one car, but
yeah.
it would be tight.
Yeah, it would be hard to have enough space to work and pull a motor. You definitely pulling a motor takes some space.
Plus,
and then they got
your neighbor too, I guess.
Yeah, they got a really nice garden here, and it goes to the concrete wall.
Yeah.
And then the house itself's in great condition. It has this glass sunroom for drying your clothes, and the porch has a glass roof up top.
Yep.
So you could squeeze 3 rental bedrooms into this, no problem.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I would just live in the larger 14 tatami mat room.
Yeah.
One side would be my office, and one side would be my bedroom. And they actually, this room here, they have a cat playground.
Yeah,
so that's a plus.
Yeah.
Like the cats would probably tear it down.
Yeah, I don't know what you do with that.
But yeah, so this is the Nihonmatsu 7DK. Can't really show you inside, of course, at least not. I'm not going to, but
Seems very well taken care of.
it's in great shape. They even have scratch protectors on the walls so the cat doesn't scratch the walls. So they've definitely taken great care of this house. This is the most expensive house, the closest to Ebisu.
Yeah.
So this would be like a rental house, maybe one drift car.
Yeah, it would be hard.
Maximum one drift car.
Yeah.
So that would very severely limit profitability. And if somebody wrecks the drift car and I have a reservation for the next week, then I don't have a backup drift car.
Yeah.
My goal is to have 3 drift cars, because if they wreck one, I need a backup. Like, I wouldn't rent more than one at a time, right?
Sure.
So, but yeah. All right, well, we will see you guys for the next video. We'll probably get Parker involved with the next video.
Yeah, that one we should be able to show a little bit more.
Yeah, we'll be able to walk around the whole house. So we did a walkthrough already. So the next video, we're going to walk through with Parker and Mason and the realtor, since the rest of the houses today are actually abandoned.
Yep.
So stay tuned. And oh yeah, this is the nicest I will ever dress in my life. And Brandon made fun of me for 30 minutes this morning, watching me struggle with this and like choking. It's like choking.
We should have recorded that, you know. You're just struggling to get your
jacket
jacket
I thought about
on.
recording getting ready, but it's a lot of editing.
It is.
In the land where dawn gently gleams, a wonder refines bold new dreams. Echoes of journeys fill the air, drifting whispers lead me there. Throwing my life at the rails,